What's up, everybody? Today I want to talk about my car, my daily driver, my 33 series, and how's it been over the 4 years that I have owned it. Has it been good? Has it been bad? Stay tuned. But before we get started, please go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button for more content like this so we can keep the channel going. All right, let's get into it. All right, so my car, like I said, I have the F33 series. 328 to be specific. Like I said, I've owned this car for 4 years, and over the 4 years that I've owned it, I haven't had really any issues. I've had to replace a battery, just regular maintenance stuff, a belt that goes out, and then the wastegate actuator. Not sure if that normally goes out all the time or if that's a common thing, but I got it replaced. I replaced it myself. It was pretty simple, and the car hasn't been giving me any issues, knock on wood. As far as, any pros and cons, any cons like the paint has been giving me, like, the clear coat's been going away. I've been trying to figure out what I can do, but like kind of stay on a budget as far as, correct it or something like that. But as far as, there's not really many cons that I have with the car. My opinion is it's been a good car, good daily driver. It's good on gas for what it is. It does take premium, but for someone who's just looking for something that is cool, sporty, and just something in between, something that's going to be either comfortable, something that's going to be, like I said, sporty, but a daily driver, this is a pretty decent car to have. As far as my opinion is that I think it's a good car. So like I said, if you're thinking about getting it, I say go for it. The things that I have done to it, but every time I get a car, I don't just leave it basic. I always do something to it. Things that I've done to the car, I've added Apple CarPlay to the car, thanks to Keys Motorsports. Not a sponsor, but that's where I got it from. I have put a cold air intake in there. I've also done mirror caps, the turn signals, sequential turn signals, rear tail lights, headlights. I've also had rims on this car. Thanks to potholes, I bent them, but I did have a set of wheels on there. What else? Oh, lip spoiler, exhaust tips, muffler delete. I've done quite a bit to this car, and it still has been faithful. It's still been holding on. So like I said, if you're looking for something that, is going to be reliable, but you want something a little bit luxury, that's a daily driver, something that's going to be reliable. Obviously, the thing with BMWs, and people say, is that BMWs are the most unreliable car. I don't think that's true. I also think it's how you maintain the car. But if you have a different opinion, leave that in the comment. I'll be interested to see what that is. Like I said, overall, this car has just been phenomenal to me. And I plan on keeping this car forever. I'm getting other cars at some point. In this channel, there's going to be other cars, projects, and stuff like that. But this car will be always here. But overall, I love this car. I've taken this car to Florida. I've taken this car to Tennessee, Alabama, all around. And it's been, like I said, reliable. There's 151, almost 152,000 miles on it. And like I said, it's been good. Like, I've had no issues. Like I said, if you have any opinions on this car or anything, I would love to see them in the comments. But if you like videos like this, I want to see more of me in these cars and builds and future projects, please like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep this channel going. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Out.